Steady dripping resin with the flower power coming at you live with another one on a Friday. My way, steady dripping. Flower Power Friday. We're gonna dry some flowers. So stay tuned. Let's see, this process shouldn't take long if the methods are true. So we're gonna do our own little experimentation with these flowers. Everybody, how y'all doing on this Friday? We got flowers, roses, American Beauty Berry right here. We have sunflowers right here. We have some tulip flower. I don't know what this is, but oh, it just came off the stem. Dang. But anyway, we got more flowers. So we're gonna try a hand at drying flowers here at Steady Dripping Resin. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's Friday. Steady Dripping our way with experimental Fridays. We're gonna try these flowers. We're gonna try to dry these beautiful babies. One thing I know, when you take these flowers, when you take them off the vine, they are very, very, very delicate. Like look, it's just disintegrating. So I'm trying to maintain the structure while I'm drying these. Definitely trying to maintain the structure. And I'm trying to get some life back on them. Yeah, we got roses. We got a little bit of everything, guys, so stay tuned. We are going to make this work. So let me put these flowers to the side, start over again, so y'all know we doing it again at Steady Dripping Resin. So we got our rose ready to smush. All right, Rose, don't be playing. Don't be playing, Rose. You did that last week. Well, where my money at, Rose? All right, there we go. We're gonna dry these, Steady Dripping Resin. We're gonna go with it. Stay tuned, baby. We're gonna have another piece of paper bag. This is just your basic paper bag that I cut in perfect squares. So we're gonna put another piece of paper towel over these flowers, cover this with that, put some weight on it, put it in the microwave for about a minute, check it, take it out, put it back in for 30 seconds, take it out, check it, and I'm gonna do a little quick montage so y'all can see what I'm talking about.